give you several ways to make money online, right? So you got Wi-Fi, you got a phone, and you got internet, and you've got 5 years of patience. I'm sure we assume, or in fact we know. Forget that word. So that being said, to make money online, you can do eBay. You can sell bootleg, which is replicas, on Depop as well. That's another thing. So Depop, you can just sell replica items on there, and you can make like markups of like 200% what you paid. So it's good profit anyway. So Depop and selling replicas, that's one thing. Take that note. Second is Etsy. You can use like many. I'm gonna do if you check out my other video where we do a video on how you can make an Etsy store sitting at home, basically make the website store for ordering out your clothes, custom clothes, how to make the images for the Etsy, etc. That's all done, right? That's all being done. So that's the second. The third will be crypto. So most of you guys, if you don't know already, we've got a daily newsletter thing where we send out free crypto information every day. So check that out in the link in the bio. And also we got a 6-figure crypto cheat guide ebook for you guys. It's guaranteed you to make 6 figures this crypto bull run 2024 going 2026. So yeah, even if you're watching this in 2030, it's still a good idea to buy it, because God knows I may not even be it. We may not be, alive, but I'm just playing. So yeah, you lot can definitely take these stuff and really find wealth and become a great investor, become very rich, very wealthy from these things. So take that in. Alright, so we said Etsy, Depop, and now we're going to tell you about crypto. So that the ebooks there, that's all online. You can do it online. Literally, you don't have to really do much. You just buy the ebook and you learn it, so you can make money online like that. It's very simple, to be fair. So all right, cool. So Etsy, we got Depop, we got crypto. So that is it, guys. I thought to give you guys two more, you know. So without further ado, go check out our next videos based on how you can make money online. So those are the 3 most ideal ways for you to really make money online, So there you go, and I wish you guys enjoy.